Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. Today I'm unboxing Creative Memories Birthday Bonanza Collection. Let's take a look. It includes embellishments, mat pack, punches, stickers, fast to fab paper, designer paper, and this beautiful album cover. The designer paper pack comes with 12 sheets of double-sided paper. The Fast to Fab paper pack comes with 12 sheets of double page spreads, so you can just add your photos and slip them into top-loading pocket pages or adhere them directly to your scrapbook page. The sticker pack comes with 3 sheets of stickers from borders to words to birthday icons, and the variety mat pack comes with 24 double-sided mats in 2 different sizes featuring journaling boxes, titles, and mats. In the embellishments pack, half of them have a glossy finish. It really makes them shine. Plus, you'll get a sheet of glossy enamel stickers. Check out the designer paper pack insert, which will show you which cardstock colors coordinate with this collection. You'll want soft pink, purple ice, dark sea green, navy, and Kelly green cardstock. Now let's try the balloons and stars border punch. I'm going to be using dark sea green cardstock to punch out this border. Look how cute that is. Next, we have the Confetti Border Maker Cartridge, which is to be used with our Border Maker system. Be sure and check out my How to Use the Border Maker video for tips. This cartridge punches a design along the edge of your paper. But the punch poop, what's left over after you punch, is basically your own confetti. To make a fun border, use your straight trimmer to cut your paper at 3 inches and cut a coordinating designer paper at 2 inches. Next, I'm punching a soft pink cardstock with the balloons and stars border punch. Using tape runner, adhere the smaller strip on top of the wider strip, centering it in the middle. For your balloon borders, use the repositionable tape runner. You can run it along on top of any of the plastic bags, and the tape won't stick to the bag, but it will adhere just where you need it on your border. First, I'm going to adhere the one in dark sea green, and then I'll layer the soft pink border on top of that. You can also use foam squares if you prefer a 3D look. Layering this will help the pink border show up better. And now this is where you'll want to go back and use the confetti. Using the repositionable tape runner, you can adhere the little confettis to your balloons to look like strings for your balloons. I'm also going to add a few of the tiny stars that punched out. And the last thing that we want to do for our border is to add a couple of embellishments with foam squares. You can cluster them in a corner for a cute look. Now to make a super fast page, just use a Fast to Fab paper, which is decorated for you, and add your border strip along the bottom of your paper. You can keep the entire collection in a Power Project folder. Here I'm labeling it Birthday Bonanza, and there's literally a pocket for all your supplies, minus the punches, of course. I'd love to know your favorite part about the Birthday Bonanza collection and what you plan on doing with it. Do you make cards? Are you going to be scrapbooking? I know we have a lot of birthday pictures that we take every year, and it's so nice to have a new collection. These last few more elaborate ideas I'm showing you are by the very talented Kristlyn Matei of Creative Memories. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these ideas. For more ideas and inspiration, be sure and catch me at a-ofstory.com.